All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed grave concern over the escalating human rights violations and state terrorism in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, urged the international watchdogs to pressure India to ensure the fundamental rights of Kashmiris. Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one Kashmiri youth in Pulwama district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth was martyred in a fake encounter in the garb of a joint cordon and search operation carried out by the Indian Army, paramilitary and SOG personnel in Farasipura area of the district on Thursday. Historic Jamia Masjid in Srinagar was once again prohibited from hosting the congregational Eid prayers, and its head cleric Mirwais Umar Farooq, a senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, was placed under house detention on the Eid day. According to Kashmir Media Service, authorities locked the gates of the Grand Mosque on Wednesday morning. Indian troops conducted a cordon and search operation in Baramulla district today, resulting in the arrest of 3 youth. According to Kashmir Media Service, the operation carried out jointly by the Indian Army and the police targeted the youth on the charge of being involved in an anti-election activities, particularly on the context of the upcoming Indian parliamentary elections. National Conference Chief Farooq Abdullah highlighted the plight of the Muslims worldwide, particularly in Palestine, where the ongoing violence has claimed numerous lives. According to Kashmir Media Service, after offering Eid ul-Fitr prayers at the Hazrat Bal Shrine in Srinagar, Abdullah addressed the media, expressing regret over the silence of the Muslim governments in the face of escalating violence in Palestine. All parties Hurriyat Conference, Azad Jammu and Kashmir has strongly condemned the atrocities committed by Israel against the innocent Palestinians and India in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC AJK chapter's convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement in Islamabad, said that Israel and India persist in forcefully subjugating unarmed civilians in Palestine and Kashmir respectively.